It's Apollo feeding his puppy chow. Hey guys, welcome to Asia's Adventures. Hi, I'm Asia. So me and my husband Shadow have been through a lot lately. So my brother passed away April 11th. We went to Arkansas, was there with family. So hard to deal with anyways. Still a hard time. Hasn't been that long ago. And then we drove to Arkansas, and then we drove back to Sacramento, California. And now we spent like 4 days, I think, back in Sacramento. And then now we left, and now we're in Kingman, Arizona at the moment at the Red Roof Inn Hotel here. Not sponsored by them whatsoever, disclaimer, just saying. And yesterday on 420, me and Shadow went and got, well, what you saw at the beginning of this video, a German Shepard puppy. He's about 7 weeks old, and his name is Apollo Kush. So we just call him Apollo. And here he is, my little baby. Little baby's hungry. I've been driving a lot today. So, and he's ate 3 times actually today already, and this is his 4th time eating. What's up? What's up, Apollo? Hi. Hi. Oh, look at those dreamy eyes. Oh, Daddy's at the door. Okay. So I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of the, let's see, the room. So here's Shadow getting her stuff. Here's Apollo's little setup. This has been like his favorite toy so far, the duck. We do have a kennel for him. She's got some toys in there. We don't really lock him up in there though. It's just for the car ride. And there's an air conditioner, hotel room, bed. There's a chair over here with our jackets.
We gotta go get cigarettes.
All of our stuff. Okay. Goodbye.
Hey!
Oh! Puppy down. What happened? Watch out, big guy. You got your face mask on?
Yeah, I do. Oh, come on.
Apollo,
Back up.
don't scoot him with your feet.
I'll be back.
So rude.
Look at cigarettes.
Look at you. So rude. What's he doing? Let's put you into bed. So, that just happened. All right, check out the keys. Apollo. So cute. Love you. Oh, my mom made that. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Let's get the ducky. Ducky. Stop playing with my keys. Oh, let's put you down on the floor. Sorry, guys. Puppies. Ooh, he's just running around. Got a little itch. Checking it out. Follow me. Here's the rest of the room. Oh my God. Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow, ow. You're so cute. Okay, not Mama's feet. There's a puppy pad in case you have to go potty. So there's a refrigerator in here. Let's check this out. On to the video. Like a fridge. Okay, freezer is nice. What do you think, Apollo? You like that cold fridge? Let's shut the door. And then we got a microwave. Oh my God, I love you guys for the coffee. For real. And he's got my sock. What's going on over here? What's going on over here? No, not the feet. Not the feet. Oh, there's towels, a hair dryer.
Got my ID.
Oh, well that might help you, you know.
Yep.
Okay, there's soap. Here's the sink area. Ice bucket. Now you got the right idea. Now you're playing with the duck. And not my feet. And let's check out the bathroom. What? Back to the feet, Apollo. Ow, ow. Oh, ow, ow, Oh, you are strong with those little teethies. Oh my gosh, my toes. Oh, puppy teeth are sharp. You guys. Oh my god. Alright, here's the, what's the toilet lid? Here's the toilet. Got some soaps in here. Ooh. This little guy. Just follow me around. He's scoping it out too. Oh, not the Nike slides. No, no. Okay. Those, no. Okay. No. Let go. Alright, shoes gotta go up. Alright, so here's this view of the TV. Apollo. Ducky, save me. Ducky, save me. Come on. Why are you biting my feet? There he comes. To the bed. To the Batmobile. To the bed. He's so happy to be out of the van right now. I don't like you biting my feet though. Oh, you went pee-pee. Apollo is happy now with a ball, guys. Oh, get it. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. First ball, you guys. Oh my god, he's so cute. Oh, my little Apollo. Like, look. So freaking precious. Look. Oh, totally went under. Oh, you got it. You're so cute. You picked it up. His first ball, you guys. Oh, here you go. Look. First puppy ball. Oh, you're so precious carrying it. Oh my god, I love you. Oh yeah, you get the hang of that, huh? There you go, buddy. Oh. Oh. And under the bed. There you go. Whew. On that note, we're done, you guys. So tired. Hi, guys. Welcome. Again. So Apollo's been chewing my feet, whatnot, right? I'm gonna sit up on the bed and let him just play with his toys. This little guy. Right there. Yeah, you're so wound up from being in the van all day. Oh, this is what happens. You say because I'm up here? Yeah. Oh, I know. Okay. I'm gonna finish this vlog real quick. Okay. All right. Puppy's upset. Come here. He's been like so spoiled all day. We got him yesterday, and look at him. So cute. Oh. There's Shadow's back, all right? And Apollo's on the bed. We're gonna say good night and farewell. Goodbye, you guys. No, he's not. He did all his business, honey. Goodbye.